Best Noise Cancelling Headphones Reviewed App. The pros, the cons. Best Noise Cancelling Headphones Reviewed app is designed to help you find the perfect pair of headphones without wasting hours researching online. Most people get this wrong by relying on brand names alone, but here's the surprising truth. Not all high-priced headphones offer the best noise cancellation or comfort for your needs. A major pro of the app is its detailed, side-by-side comparisons. It breaks down each headphone's noise-cancelling performance, battery life, sound quality and comfort level. For example, you can see that a pair might block 95% of ambient noise, while another model blocks only 85% but offers richer bass and longer battery life. This allows you to pick the model that best suits your priorities. Another advantage is real-world user reviews. The app aggregates feedback from verified buyers, highlighting issues like ear fatigue, connectivity glitches, or durability concerns. You won't believe how often these subtle details influence long-term satisfaction. The app also suggests alternatives based on your listening habits, whether you're commuting, working in a noisy office, or traveling. However, there are cons. Some lesser-known brands may be missing from the database, meaning you might overlook hidden gems. Price ranges fluctuate, so a recommendation today might be slightly outdated tomorrow. Also, personal comfort is subjective. No app can fully guarantee a perfect fit without trying them on. In conclusion, the Best Noise Cancelling Headphones Reviewed app is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to make an informed headphone purchase. By providing detailed specs, honest reviews, and curated comparisons, it saves you time, reduces buyer's remorse, and ensures your investment matches your specific needs. While it won't replace testing headphones in person, it's the smartest first step toward finding the ideal pair.